Kateschwanke and welcome back to my channel for another fun Madewell video. Today I am unboxing, trying on, and reviewing the Madewell mini crossbody bag, and I'm super excited because I just ordered this recently and I got it for 40% off. They're actually having a big sale right now, and I will link you guys down below to this particular bag and the sale. I'll also put the code in for you guys so you can also get an awesome deal. I have a few different Madewell bags and I love every single one of them. In fact, they're actually my favorite bags to use on a daily basis. In fact, the one that I've been using the most is actually their Crossbody sling. It has been my go-to bag ever since I got it. So the only thing is that it's just a tad too small for some of the things that I'm carrying currently. So I thought that this bag might be just a tad bit bigger, and I'll show you guys a comparison too on the size, but I'm hoping it's just big enough for me to put the other things that I want to put in my bag. So let's go ahead and unbox this. I'm super excited. It's been, like I said, like about a year, I think, since I got my last Madewell bag. I like to space it out because I really do like to enjoy using each one. So here we go. And I believe this bag is suede, and I've never owned a suede bag before, so I may have to waterproof it or something. I don't know. Oh, it's such a pretty color. Oh, the size is perfect. Yay! I think it is slightly bigger than my other bag. At least it's definitely wider. So let's go ahead and open it. And I have it here in the classic desert color, I believe, which is my favorite because it's kind of like a camel brown. Oh, I love it. Yeah, it is suede, but it's so pretty. Oh, I love it, you guys. So this is what it looks like straight out of the box. My favorite things about it, what made me want it actually, is the style. I really loved all the little belt details on it. So my other bags don't really have a ton of detail except for maybe the Sydney crossbody. So yeah. Oh, it's so cute. Ooh, it's super soft. And it smells good. All right, I gotta pull off all this stuff real quick and then I'll show you what it looks like from the front. Okay, I just got all the paper off. It's super soft. Oh, I love this detail. I really love this belt. Look at this tab on the end, you guys. It's kind of weighted, so it kind of flops to the side instead of sticking out, which I think is great. The size is so great. Look at those grab handles on top. Oh, I can't wait to do the review and pack this up, you guys. So let's go ahead and open her up. The size is gonna be so perfect. I'm excited. Okay, so there's our strap, which is probably how I'm going to wear it most of the time. They've got a lot of stuffing in here to poof it out. This is great. And I love it. It has like a canvas lining that matches the bag. So let's go ahead and take this off because I want to see this strap too. So the strap looks like it's nice and long, and it is adjustable. So it looks like it's quite adjustable. That's great. I'm short, so I kind of have to have it a little bit more adjustable than most people so that it doesn't hang past my waist too much. All right, I got all the paper off. Okay, so here's the strap. You guys can see it's nice and long. I love this. And it has this beautiful gold, like shiny gold hardware. Very nice. So here's the inside of the bag. Hopefully you guys can see that. It does have one side pocket in there. This is the other side, like the downside of the bag. So there's no feet or anything. Okay, you guys, how about we go and try this on? I wanted to show you guys the size difference between the crossbody sling and the mini crossbody bag. And at first glance, they may look about the same size. However, this one is much narrower. And also when you wear it, it kind of goes like this. whereas this one holds its shape and is a lot wider. So it's actually gonna hold more stuff. So I'm super excited about that. Okay guys, I was so excited to pack this bag up. It definitely holds more than my sling does, which is perfect. So we have here the Madewell mini crossbody bag, and I have it here in the classic desert color, which is like a camel tan. But this bag actually comes in 6 colors. Classic desert, which I have here. There's juniper berry, which is a deep blue. Dark carob, which is a deep brown, like an espresso brown. It's really pretty. Chocolate raisin, which is a deep purple. True black multi, which is a glossy black. And cabernet, which is a deep red and super pretty and very tempting for the holidays. So even though this bag is bigger than my other bag, it's still considered a mini size. So this bag is 9.5 inches wide, 6 inches high, and 4.25 inches deep. The mini crossbody bag is crafted from leather, but it is suede and it's really soft and it smells amazing. The bag is 100% leather, but the lining is 100% cotton. You also have leather trim. One of my favorite things about it is this glossy gold hardware on the bag. And I especially love this piece here. I think that is so classy. Love that. You have a leather zipper pull on top here. You may notice this bag has no pockets on the outside of the bag. I could have definitely used something back here, maybe for my phone or gum or something. But I also do like that it is more of a tailored look. So you just have the straps on the back here. On the sides, you just have the D-rings that you can attach your straps to. On the front here, you have the straps and the buckle across the front here, which I think is super cute. I love that detail. And here's the other side. So yeah, that is all we have going on the outside of the bag. And once again, here's the bottom. It's very soft, I love it. And I think soon I'm going to spray it down with a waterproof suede spray just to keep it extra safe since we get a lot of rain here in Tennessee. You also have this great long strap that you can wear crossbody or over the shoulder. And as I mentioned before, it's pretty adjustable. So you have all of these holes here. You actually have 8 holes that you can adjust this bag to. So if you're tall, it'll fit you. And if you're short like me, it'll fit you too. And then you have these really great grab handle straps up here, which is perfect for pulling this bag in and out of your car. And you can also use it as a handbag. So let's go ahead and jump into the inside of the bag and I'll show you how I have it packed up. So the mini crossbody bag definitely holds more than my sling crossbody bag, which is perfect. It's exactly what I wanted. So you have a nice smooth zipper pull here on top, and I love smooth zippers. This is how I have it packed up on the inside. As you can see, I have quite a few things in there. It's a little difficult to film the inside of the bag as I'm unpacking it, so I'm going to go ahead and pull things out one at a time. But as you can see over here, I have my phone in the side pocket here, and I did want to mention that is an iPhone 17 Pro, but the Pro Max will not fit in there. It's just holding my Pro perfectly, so I don't think there'd be any extra space for a larger phone there. So let's go ahead and start with the main compartment here. I have a compact Kindle here. It fits just right in there. Perfect. And right in front of that, I have a Jujube medium set piece here. So let's go through that. It has a lot of random things in it. I have my Madewell keychain here, which I love. This is the Sydney keychain. Just has a few like house keys and things on it. I also have my husband's car key, so he has a Ford Lightning. Also down in here, I have some eye drops, a folding hairbrush with a mirror inside, as well as my EpiPen. And in front of that, I have 2 more items. I have a Jujube small set piece here, and in here I just like to keep my lip moisturizers and things like that. I also have an under eye brightening stick. I also have chapstick, as well as a mirror. Also down there I have my wallet. This is a Madewell wallet. I love it. This color is called Cinnamon, and this is what it looks like with the classic desert color. Not a great match, but that just gives me an excuse to buy another wallet. Maybe I'll do it since they're having that 40% off sale. This is a great time to do that. So let's go ahead and go through this pocket here. As you can see, I have a pack of extra polar ice, my favorite. And then I have my iPhone 17 Pro down in there. And it is, as I mentioned, a perfect fit. Now that we have the bag fully empty, let's see if I can show you guys well in there what that looks like. But as I mentioned, it has the same color, the classic desert, as the interior color, but it is a canvas material, so 100% cotton. And then the pocket here is actually leather, if you can see that. And it has the Madewell logo on it. But I love these inner pockets on the Madewell bags. They're perfect for my phone. So that is my packing video and review for the Madewell mini crossbody bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it fun and helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel while you're here if you're new. If you haven't checked out my other Madewell bag videos, I will link it right here. I love all their stuff, like seriously. I don't think I've ever owned anything from them that I didn't like. And also definitely check out their sale. I feel like they're always having these amazing sales. They're either 30 to 40% off. Right now you can get this bag for 40% off, so snag this deal. It's amazing. And I will leave all that stuff down in the description box for you guys. Thanks for watching.